in the prophetic ministry, God showed us 2018 about everything, that you'll be a president. And God showed us that the first 5 years to be very tough. You will achieve many things, but not as you planned. And the Lord showed me that God will give you another second term. And in this second term, you can mark my words, you will do massive economic development of our country. And in this second term, you will do massive improvement of food security to our country. And in this second term, you will do massive infrastructure development of our country, from Sanja to Chitipa. And in this second term, people will not believe, you will flush corruption out of our country. The Lord spoke. The first part is done. The same God will fulfill the second part. About my prophet,